Hello guys, welcome back once again to this channel and happy new year to us all. In this video I'll be showing us how we can download and install Microsoft Power BI desktop on our system, since the next course we'll be looking at is Power BI. So all you have to do now is to open your browser. Then once you open your browser, your Chrome or your Microsoft Edge, whichever one you would like to use to download it, then come here to the search bar and type in Power BI desktop. So once you've done that, you would see Power BI desktop, then download Microsoft Power BI desktop from official whatever. So you can either hit the first link or the second one. So let's go with the first one and see what it brings. So mind you, if you are using a Mac or any Apple product, you might have to download or create a kind of environment on your system, maybe installing a parallel software that would allow you to install Power BI, because Power BI is majorly for Windows, not for Mac. So if you would like to use it on your Mac system, do how to install a parallel software that would help you create an environment for it. Okay, then we are here, right? You can see download now. When you scroll down, we don't have anything down, so just go back, then download. I'll hit the download button and it's asking you, do you want to open the Microsoft Store or you want to just continue with it online? I'm going to hit open Microsoft Store because I have Microsoft Store. So you can see we have the Power BI desktop. Scrolling down to check it out, you can see we have other things concerning the Power BI desktop. All you have to do is just hit install. So the moment you hit install, it would start downloading it. It will take a while, so you just wait for it. So you can see it's installing. It's currently on 12%, so you just leave it to install. So we might need a lot of, not up to a gig, 799.3 MB to download this. So let's wait for it. Alright, so we can see that that's finished downloading. Then all I have to do is just hit open. Then it will open the desktop. Waiting for it to open. As you can see, you have it here. Microsoft Power BI desktop. I'm gonna right click, then pin this to the taskbar. Yeah, so we'd have the Power BI desktop. This is the backstage view. So the first thing you see anytime you open your Power BI desktop newly is just this. Currently you see a place for recent and shared with me, so you can't see any recent file because this is a new desk. I just installed it, right? I've not worked with it yet. So once you want to start looking at the interface of Power BI desktop, we get to understand how it looks like and what you can use those features on it to do. So the next way you can download your Power BI desktop is, now let's go back. Remember we clicked on the first link, so let's check this out, the second link. So you can see this maximize every day with 365 whatever. So let's scroll down. So you see download. Select the language you want to work with, then download. When you can see more details about it, you can see the versions, the file name, and the file size. So any one you want is what you download. So I'm going to hit download. The moment I hit download, this pops up. So what do you want to choose? What you want to download. So it depends. Do you want, if you know your system is around 64 bits, 32, you know, okay, you're going with for this, if it's 32, you're going for this, if it's for 64. So let's assume I'm hitting this, checking this one, then hit download. If you download it the same way, then you get it installed on your system. But since I already have it, I don't need to use this method. I'm just showing us how to. Alright, this is how you can download Microsoft Power BI Desktop on your system. Alright, thank you for watching. We'll meet in our next video. We'll be exploring the interface of Power BI Desktop together. If you're just visiting this page or channel for the very first time, my name is Ibrahim Blessing and I'm a data analyst. Welcome to LDA, that is Learn Data Analytics with Blessing. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.